Alright, this is going to be a video of the Parry Sound waterfront in Parry Sound, Ontario. This is, I believe, Lake Huron, Georgian Bay. It's a dock area around here. 30,000 Island Cruise Line. We'll go on here. There's a water tower up there. Really older one, it looks like. And then you can see fall colors over there. And then I believe this is part of Georgian Bay. Parry Sound. This is definitely a really beautiful place. There's like a cliff right there. And the fall colors, it's really beautiful. And then there's like the rest, I guess, the suburban parts of the town. There's a Boston Pizza right there.